second problem, and we are about to find the deviation on a magnetic compass heading of 104 degrees. And the gyro error is 2 degrees east and the variation is 8 degrees west. So here presenting the deviation card reconstruction exercise, I'm Cadet Jericho Isidro. 104 degrees is the compass heading, and we need to find the bracket that surrounds the 104, and this is the first bracket and the second one, including the GETBMDC format. This is the second pair in the first pair. So now I have PSC 092 that goes under C and 080 gyro, and I will put it in the gyro. So another pair is 122.5 and 110 degrees. We also have another data 2 degrees east, and we will put it in here, and 8 degrees west variation, and we will put it in here. Find the true. We need to add 080 to error of 2 degrees east because the direction is from gyro to true. So that is the proper solving of this. And 110 plus 2 east is 112. For the magnetic, since the variation is west, the direction is going right. So we need to add true to variation, and the answer is 090. Same in the lower part, which is also 8 west, 112 plus 8 west of variation is 120. Now we need to find the difference between magnetic and compass of 090 and 092 is 2, and 120 and 122.5, the deviation is 2.5. So we just add the magnetic and compass, and the direction is going right, so the sign is west. So after that, we need to compute A, B, and C, and we are about to use the formula of deviation, positive, negative, A over C times C. For A, the difference of 104 minus 92 is 12, and B, the difference is 30.5, and for C, 2.5 west minus 2.0 west is 0.5. We're gonna use the upper bracket of A, and the deviation we will choose is 2 west. We will just transpose the data to the formula. This is A, B, and this is C. Solving the equation is 2 west plus 0.2 is equal to 2.2 west. So this is the final answer.
So solving for the north. North is equals to 360 degrees. So as we can see in the table, we will base our G and the gyro compass and the ship compass to the table. So there we can see the 350 degrees and the 358 degrees. So since that there are no 360 in the table, so we consider that they have 20 and 30 30.5. So what we will gonna do is that we will add 360 from it in order for us to meet the over 360 degrees. So next we will add the error. So if the error is add, and if the error is west, might subtract. So we will find the true. The true is 352, 360, and 382. So when the true going to compass, we will add west, just like TVMDC method. We will add west. So therefore it will become 360 and 390. Then the difference of it will be the difference of the magnetic and the compass is the deviation. So our first deviation is 1.5 east and 0.5 west. It became negative because of the difference of sign. If we input it in the interpolator, we should always turn it to negative because of the difference of sign. So now we will interpolate the true. It will become second minus first and third minus first. Then divide. It will become 8 over 30. Then it will become 0.266 times 2 because negative 0.5 to 1.5 is 2. There are two differences. Then equals to 0.53. Then then we will subtract it from 1.5 because it is the start of our deviation. 1.5 minus 0.53. The answer will be 0.97 is. So now we will solve for the is. Same procedure. Always find the gyro compass and the ship's compass closest to the 90 degrees because E is equals to 90 degrees. So we will substitute the 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 findings of the gyro and the ship's compass. So therefore, it will become 82, 90, and 1112. So first, let's add the true to the variation. So it will become 82 because 80 plus 2 is. Always remember that when going to true, it will add is minus west. Then in the variation, add west, variation going to compass is add west minus east. Then it will become 90 and 120. So in the between the M and the C, there will become a bit difference of 2 deviation west because it adds. Then same as well at the third column, the difference between 120 and 122.5 is 2.5 west. So now we will interpolate the true. So it will become same procedure. Always second minus first and third minus first. So it will become 8 over 30. Divide it will the outcome will be 0.2667 times 0.5 because the difference of the deviation, the first deviation and the last deviation is 0.5. Then the answer will be 0.13335. Then plus 2 because it starts with 2. Then the answer will be 2.113 because we only need 2 decimal places. So in the southeast, same as that, uh, same procedure. Uh, Same procedure because it same procedure because it is also west. Just apply what I apply in the east. So we will only substitute the 135 degrees in the true. Then find the closest in the table in the gyro compass in the ship's compass. Same procedure. So in the south is equals to 180 degrees. Same procedure. Get the table that is closest to the 180 degrees, the gyro and the gyro compass and the ship's compass. Then add it to the error because our error is 2 is. Then the t will become the answer of the gyro plus error. Then when it comes to variation, it will become same procedure. Add the west minus east. So it plays a critical role in determining the magnetic. Then in magnetic, always find the difference between the magnetic and the compass in order to find the deviation. Then interpolate the second minus first, then third minus first. Then we will interpolate the 2 first, then divide the 8 and the 30. It will becomes 2.66 times 1 because the difference between the deviation of 1 and the last is 1. Then subtract it to 1 because it starts with 1. Therefore, the deviation will be 0.7334. Since it's decreasing, yes, it is decreasing, it will become an is. When increasing, it is west. So same procedure as in the southwest. It will only the deviation will still become east because it decreases. And in the deviation, third deviation, the 0.5 is we found out it was east because 240 then 239.5 at the magnetic and the compass. So it decreases or it subtract. When it subtract, it will become east. So when it comes to west is equals to 270 degrees. Then just substitute it to the second column of the true in order for us to interpolate it. Then find in the table, find the closest to the 270 degrees. Then once you find out, add is because in order to find the true, and then add our variation because it is west. Always remember that if going variation to compass, it is add west minus east. So we will conclude at the 270 m and 300 degrees. So the difference of m at c is 1. So since it decreases, it will become east. And same as well at the last deviation, it will become 2 east because 300 minus 298, it decreases. So if it increases, it will become west. So we will divide the interpolate through same procedure. Then the answer will be 2.66 plus 1 because the difference of 1 is and the 2 is 1. Then that's it. That's our answer. It will become 1.266 or 1.27 is because it decreases. So same procedure as at the northwest. Northwest is equals to 315 degrees. So same procedure. Since it decreases the magnetic and the compass, it will become east. Same procedure. That would be all. Now let's proceed to the computation of the ABCDE coefficients. So this is the formula that we will use in order for us to compute the ABCDE coefficients. So this is the 8 points of the cardinal and the ordinal points guarded by the interpolation. So after using all of the formula, so here we will add all of the gathered 8 points, and then we will divide it to 8 because of there are total 8 points of both cardinal and ordinal in the compass rose. So just add first all of the 8 points, then just divide it by 8. So given here the formula, just substitute all of the values. Simple as that. This is the formula for solving the B and the C. So all we have to do is just substitute the values in order for us to get the answers. We will substitute the values, then follow the formula and input it in our calculator.